Hey guys, happy August 17th, 2025. So this is obviously the Cub Cadet Ultimate ZT 154-inch deck zero turn. Did a couple of videos on this about the hour meter when I first bought it, which is actually just over 4 years ago. I can't even believe it. Anyway, this is the original belt. And I'm only cutting the lawn up here in New York now. We sold a house in PA, so it doesn't get as much use as it did when we were in PA. I was cutting both here and there. But 2 years ago, June, we decided it was time to get out of the horse pleasure riding, and we actually rehomed our horses. So I've been keeping part of their pasture cut down because the deer like it, the turkey like it, the rabbits like it, the birdies like it, and all that kind of stuff. So, and it looks nicer. So I keep that cut down. So all in all, I probably have about 4, maybe 5 acres that I cut every week, sometimes every other week. So I was up doing the horse pasture last week, and the belt finally went. And this is the original belt, and believe it or not, they're the original blades on here as well, but they're getting replaced for next year. So the belt went, and what I did is, to replace the belt, I backed the machine up on my ramps, lowered the deck all the way down, laid in the ground, and it wasn't pretty. It was actually a pain in the neck. And if you're interested, this is the correct belt for the 54-inch. Hopefully you can see that. But this is the correct belt number. The first one I bought was wrong. Even though it said 54-inch ZT1, it wasn't correct, but this one is correct. So anyway, after I got that done, put the belt on, set it back on the ground, fired it up, tested it out, and everything was good, I happened to notice, and like I said, I've had this thing just over 4 years, but I've never had to replace the belt. I happened to notice this bolt. And then I noticed this raised piece here, which is like a handhold. So, being the inquisitive guy that I am, a 13 millimeter will get this off. And then I grabbed this handhold and lifted it up. And basically it's a belt access. I would have saved a lot of grief had I figured this out or known this prior to changing the belt. So yeah, I truly had to laugh when I saw this. But anyway, I just thought I'd share. Maybe it'll help someone else out. Not having to lay in the dirt and mud and whatever. But that's all. That's it for this video. Guys, have a great day and we'll talk soon. Take care now.